What is up, everybody? Yesterday I woke up to a very pleasant surprise. I actually legit won a prize. I posted a video on IGTV a couple weeks back sharing my experiences on a DNA test kit by CircleDNA. And CircleDNA contacted me yesterday and told me I was their winner of the month and I won myself a premium test kit worth $629. Now if you're interested to find out all the juicy bits in that video, there's a link in the description box below. And because Wayne and I have already done the DNA test, we have decided to give this premium kit away to one lucky person. I'm super excited because this is my very first giveaway and I want to thank CircleDNA for creating such a great product and being so supportive of our decision. So once the winner has been announced, I will contact you for your delivery details and your prize will be shipped to you directly from CircleDNA's warehouse. So how can you participate in this giveaway? Firstly, click on the link in the description box below under How to Win giveaway and tag a friend in the comment section of the post. Tag one friend per comment and each tag will be considered as one entry. Multiple entries are allowed. Step 2. Follow me on Instagram at JoviLifestyle. And lastly, come back to this video and comment "I want to win" in the comment section below. And you're done! This giveaway will end on next Tuesday, 25th of February, and the winner will be announced on Wednesday, 26th February at 6 p.m. Singapore time. All the details are in the description box, so good luck! In the meantime, stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video.